Hello from Magic Kingdom!
Yes, today is Gay Days here at Magic Kingdom.
So we got a last minute reservation, so we're only here for a few hours, but we decided to come show you guys if there's anything left that's going on.
Yeah, for sure. It is warm.
Yep.
There's clouds in the sky. It looks like it's probably going to rain, but we're excited. So unlike Universal, you have to wear a mask on.
Inside the queue, or if you're inside and on the ride.
Yeah, so if you are new here, hello, hi, and
welcome!
we are so glad you guys stopped by. We are looking at, someone just got engaged behind you.
That's where you heard all the cheering.
Yeah.
There it is, see?
Sorry guys. But if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because we do try to post videos Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we're trying to open up more. My arm's getting a little tired.
It's getting real close to my face.
So don't forget to like and comment, and guys, and please enjoy this video. So we just got done with our intro, and we came over here, and we think that this got more decorated. We got ribbons and garland and all that kind of stuff all over the place. It's coming along. We'll have to go look at Tron too. Even though we're not like an update channel, it's still kind of nice to see with the new things. So we're going to go find something to do. Not sure what. It's the People Mover. Oh, I'm so glad. First time we rode this since it reopened back in May. Or April. Who knows when it will reopen. We're excited.
For your safety, remain seated.
We're about to get going. Alright. So supposedly Tron is done being built. You can see part of it right here. Look at it. It is amazing. I actually thought it was going to be covered, but supposedly the construction's done, so we'll see. Here it is. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super thrilled about this ride. Maybe it'll open soon. They say it's not gonna open this year, it'll be open next year. Coming to an end. It's still kind of rickety.
Yeah.
But it's still a good time.
I still like this.
I do.
It's a good one.
I do. Get you out of the sun, get you out of the heat, get the wind in your face.
It lets you see like different attractions.
It does. And it's relaxing. So, on to the next. I'm eating the ear.
We got snacks.
We did.
Excited?
Drier than normal, but it's not bad. We're on the wildest ride in the wilderness. Arr.
What?
Yeehaw! So here's a question. It's an important question. When it looks like it's about to rain, do you wait for it to rain? Or do you try to take cover?
Well, us living in Florida, we kind of know-ish when it's going to rain, but then like we know it's going to clear a lot of people out, so then the wait times are going to drop.
That's exactly what we're doing now.
So
we're looking at the times.
that's a good tip. So that's why we're looking at the times.
Yes. But rule of thumb, you can hear the downpour come.
Or when it gets really windy,
yeah.
Then you know.
So if it's spitting, endure. Don't put your poncho on. Don't do none of that stuff. Just endure.
You're gonna get more wet at Splash Mountain.
Yeah. And then when you start to hear the wind pick up, and you can actually hear the rain hit the ground, run.
So it's unofficial, official, like gay pride days, gay days, like Brian said. We've seen a lot of people wearing like rainbow and like supports and saying, if you need a hug, I'm your mom, things like that. So that's really cool to see people still at the parks wearing it. We will show like every so often when we do find it, but there's not like anything really official by Disney. Everything's gonna be the same. It's just kind of celebrating and supporting each other.
Yeah. So I'll link the website down below and probably right here, so that way you guys can see. There is a link. There is a website that you can go to find out what days, place they're doing. Because they got Universal, they got Epcot, they got Hollywood Studios, all that. So
I'm wearing my earrings and I'm wearing my shirt to support.
yeah. So the other rule of thumb is you can wear red for support.
There's a lot of people wearing red too. It's really cool to see like how people are wearing their outfits, or like how they accessorize and stuff like that.
Yeah, for sure. But
Let's see what else we can find and do. I know it's not like too spectacular of a video, but like we said, we were just like 30 minutes before we arrived, we're like, let's go to the park.
yeah, literally. There was
There's
just lightning.
actually reservations.
There was.
And there's hardly ever same day reservations. So we're like, let's take it.
We're here.
So yay. And we're also celebrating, so I mean it gives us an excuse.
For sure. Well, we're leaving.
Calling it a day. We're
Yeah.
only here a couple hours, but it was worth it. Did a last minute reservation, so check those because they might be opening more.
Yes, yeah. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. We actually did a lot more.
So we
In
usually
3 hours
do
and yeah.
in a day.
It's crazy. But it was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. The castle looks amazing. They keep on improving it.
Yes, it looks really good.
I don't know what else to say. Happy gay days.
Yeah.
But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, clicking on that link, watching the video all the way to the end.
And subscribing
Yes.
with our Fam Bam. Please keep the comments going, guys. We love seeing those. And keep a discussion with your other Fam Bam members. Because then it would be really cool, because then I can start doing lives if I come to the parks.
Oh yeah.
So like if you keep that going, you get more subscribers, help us get to our goal. We know you guys can do it.
Yeah, we're getting so close. Every day we get closer and closer, and we only can thank you guys for
Supporting
us and taking the time out. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.